You don't want trouble, but sometimes trouble wants you.
It's too dangerous. Sure you want to follow him? Stay close. What are you doing?
You don't want trouble, but sometimes trouble wants you.
Finish it!
Get me to the soldiers that came by this morning.
It's too dangerous. Sure you want to follow him? Stay close. You white ones go fast, fast, fast. Get nowhere. I go slow. What are you doing? I don't want no trouble. Shut it up or I will! Hey!
Got an old bar especially for you. God, you're beautiful.
Sir, my letter of recommendation, sir. It's due 3 months ago now.
I decide when you leave and when you stay.
Fuck!
Drink up. We're paying a visit.
Finish it! If either of you do anything to jeopardize this post for me, I swear I'll leave you in the fucking bush to rot!
You're nothing, and you'll always be nothing.
You don't want!
Don't you ever fucking die. If I see you again, I'll kill you myself.